Matthew 7:21-23. Explained. What does "I never knew you" mean? Matthew chapter 7, verses 21-23. In this video, we examine one of Jesus' most serious warnings. Appearing religious is not the same as truly belonging to Him. Let us look at what Matthew chapter 7, verses 21-23 means. Verse 21. Not everyone who says to me, "Lord, Lord," shall enter the kingdom of heaven, but he who does the will of my Father in heaven. Verse 22. Many will say to me in that day, "Lord, Lord, have we not prophesied in your name, cast out demons in your name, and done many wonders in your name?" Verse 23. And then I will declare to them, "I never knew you. Depart from me, you who practice lawlessness." In this passage, Jesus gives a serious warning about the difference between appearing to follow Him and truly belonging to Him. Jesus begins by saying that not everyone who calls Him Lord will enter the kingdom of heaven. In this passage, entering the kingdom of heaven means being received into God's eternal kingdom and living in His presence. Simply speaking the right words or claiming to be a follower of Jesus is not enough. Jesus says that the person who enters is the one who does the will of his Father in heaven. Doing the will of the Father means submitting to God and seeking to live according to His ways. Jesus is not teaching that impressive religious works can earn a person a place in heaven. He is showing that saying the right words and performing remarkable works are not substitutes for doing the Father's will. Jesus then describes what people will say to Him in that day. In that day means the day of judgment, when people will answer before Christ. These people will call Jesus Lord and point towards the extraordinary things they did in His name. They will say that they prophesied, cast out demons, and performed many wonders. Prophesied means speaking what is presented as a message from God. Wonders means extraordinary or miraculous works. From the outside, these people may have appeared extremely spiritual. They used the name of Jesus and performed works that others may have considered powerful or impressive. However, Jesus does not accept their religious activity as proof that they truly belong to Him. His answer is direct: "I never knew you." Jesus does not say that He once knew them and later rejected them. He says that He never knew them. In this passage, being known by Jesus means genuinely belonging to Him, rather than merely using religious language or carrying out religious activities. The warning is that a person can speak about Jesus, use His name, and even appear to do remarkable things while not truly belonging to Him. Jesus then says, "Depart from me, you who practice lawlessness." Lawlessness means living in disobedience to God. The word "practice" shows that Jesus is describing a continuing pattern and way of life, rather than a single failure. The passage does not teach that a follower of Jesus will never fail, make a wrong choice, or need forgiveness. The warning concerns a continuing practice of lawlessness while claiming to belong to Christ. Just before this passage, Jesus warns about false prophets and says that a tree is recognized by its fruit. Fruit means the visible evidence shown through a person's teaching, character, and way of living. Good words and impressive appearances can deceive people, but the true condition of a person's life is eventually revealed by the fruit it produces. The central message of Matthew chapter 7, verses 21-23, is that religious appearance cannot replace a real relationship with Jesus. Calling Him Lord is not enough without doing the will of the Father. Performing works in His name is not enough when a person's life is marked by continued lawlessness. Jesus looks beyond outward claims and impressive actions to whether a person genuinely belongs to Him and does the will of the Father. This passage calls each person to examine their faith honestly. The important question is not merely whether we speak about Jesus, attend religious gatherings, or appear spiritual to others. The important question is whether we genuinely know Jesus, trust Him, and allow that relationship to change the way we live. Following Jesus is not merely an outward performance. It means genuinely belonging to Him and seeking to do the will of the Father.